Happy Valentine's Day. We're making strawberry drinks again. So last week I made 3 strawberry cocktails with strawberry liqueur and strawberry syrup. You can check that out. But this one here is my official entry to Love Potion 2022. So we got to follow the rules. We got to make it red or pink. And we also have to use a chocolate garnish. We're calling this one a strawberry sundae flip. Doesn't that just sound amazing? So we've got our ingredients. We've got strawberry liqueur. We've got strawberry syrup. It's a flip, so we're going to be using a full egg. But I didn't know what to do for the base spirit. My first thought was whiskey, so I decided to do an Irish whiskey. But then I'm like, well, you know what? A brandy would be good too. So I'm going to use this local apple Eau de Vie, which is an unaged apple brandy. We're going to see how that works. So I'm going to make 2 of these side by side, and they're going to be exactly the same ingredients except for the base spirit. So let's start with half an ounce of this Frangoli strawberry liqueur. This is the one every time the little strawberries come out, I'm always just amazed. But any strawberry liqueur you have will work fine, and you don't have to make the strawberry. Go ahead and make this a cherry sundae flip if you want to use cherry liqueur, or a raspberry if you got raspberry liqueur. Whatever you got, any fruit liqueur will be fantastic in this. Okay, so half ounce of our strawberry fruit liqueur. After that, we're going to do our strawberry syrup. Check out the recipe, my video from last week. I showed you how to make strawberry syrup. So if you don't have it, you can easily make it. And that recipe works for literally any fruit. So again, cherry syrup, raspberry syrup, pineapple syrup, whatever you want to make. But today we're doing strawberry. Look at that color. Vibrant. After that, ounce of heavy cream. So this is where it's going to give us that kind of strawberry milkshake, strawberry ice cream flavor and feel to it. So it's going to be absolutely amazing. Did I mention this was a dessert cocktail? It's going to be very sweet, very creamy. It's going to be awesome. All right, after that, to add just a hint of chocolate to our sundae, 2 dashes of chocolate bitters or cocoa bitters, whatever one you have. I got Angostura. And all right, let's just clean off our jigger because it's got that cream in it. Now let's do our base spirit. So from the first one here, we're going to do 2 ounces of our local apple Eau de Vie. This is from Ogham Distillery, a really great local distillery here in Ottawa. So 2 ounces of our brandy. I also like that it's clear, so that pink color will come out a lot better. And in our second one, I'm going to do 2 ounces of this Tullamore Dew Caribbean cask. This is an Irish whiskey, but it's finished in Caribbean rum casks. So I don't think that'll really come out in the final drink, but the whiskey is great. If you can find that whiskey, it is a fantastic whiskey. And lastly, a full egg goes into each glass because this is a flip. So a flip is a drink that has a full egg in it. So this is actually going to be very similar to an eggnog. An eggnog is a flip, technically. But it's going to have that kind of eggnog vibe to it, but obviously strawberry flavored. So, all right, let's add some ice. We're going to do a reverse dry shake. So I'm going to add some ice to our tin. We're going to do an initial shake with that ice, and then we're going to remove the ice and do a secondary shake. So let's get both tins on there, flippy move, seal it tight, get both of them good and tight. And then here we go, 10-15 second shake with both tins. After that, what we want to do is strain it back into the glass. You might want to, cream tends to make everything dirty, so wipe down the glasses. But we want to strain them back into their respective glasses, get the tins back on, and then do a secondary shake and really go hard here to froth up that egg and emulsify everything. It's already chilled. We chilled it with the ice. We're serving this in a stemmed glass. I mean, you can serve in pretty much anything, but it's Valentine's Day. We want something fancy. So these are just these stemmed glasses I found at a local thrift store, and I think they look great. And I actually like using these for flips. It's kind of the perfect size, and yeah, they just look great. All right, so we're going to wait for the foam to settle. For our garnish, we're going to use a little paper here to dust half the top with some cocoa powder. That's our chocolate garnish. And on the other side, you could leave it empty, but what I'm going to do is put on some strawberry dust. So what that is a freeze-dried strawberry that's been crushed into a powder. So it's going to look amazing, and it actually tastes quite good. So look at that. It looks amazing. Look at that nice separation of the foam on top. I love that in a flip, and anything with egg or egg whites just looks great. We're going to add a straw, even though at the end I didn't actually use the straw. prefer just drinking this straight. It got the nice strawberry dust and cocoa powder. But there we go. Strawberry Sundae Flip looks absolutely amazing. We've got 2 variations, one with apple brandy and one with Irish whiskey. Let's give them a taste. So the first one here with the Eau de Vie apple brandy is very good. We taste the strawberries, we taste the cream. Oh, it tastes like ice cream, strawberry ice cream. It's absolutely amazing. I do get a little hint of apple in the back end. Yeah, it's just delicious, absolutely delicious. Let's do the whiskey. All right, so still very strawberry cream forward. Whiskey on the back end, on the finish, and not gonna say I'm picking up any kind of Caribbean rum flavors from there. That's, yeah. I gotta say I do prefer the whiskey. I like whiskey in a flip and an eggnog, but both of these are really, really good. So definitely give them a try for Valentine's Day. Highly recommend it. Make one for yourself, for your loved ones. It's a great dessert cocktail that you for your Valentine's Day dinner. And cheers, guys. Don't forget to check out the hashtag LovePotion2022. There are a whole bunch of other entries from different YouTube bartenders. We're here to help you out for Valentine's Day, so make sure to check those out, and we will see you next time. Cheers, guys.